Hi and welcome back to my channel. Martha Makwata here with you again. So today I want to prepare fried matoke. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going straight to the frying because I'm already on fire. My things are already set on the stove. That's why I'm saying I'm already on fire. Okay, I hope you understand it now. So let's enjoy this video together. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, share it, and do everything nice to just support this channel. Thank you for the 404 subscribers. I keep checking and we are growing. I don't take any of you for granted. So let's go straight into our frying. My matoke is already peeled, so I'm preparing matoke and minced meat. Karibu sana. So as you can see, both my pans are on fire. I'll use that one for my minced meat and this one for my matoke. So what I'm doing just right about now, I'm putting in my onion in both pans. I want to do it very fast. So come along. The onion is in, as you can see, in both the pans. Forgive, some of my onions are big, but I'll use my wooden spoon to just try and slice them up while on fire. Don't mind them. If they remain like that, they are also still nutritious. Nothing changes them, they are still onions. So today we are doing it very fast. I didn't prepare my ingredients earlier because I want to just fry them as we go. I'll use these 4 onions, 2 for the matoke and 2 for my minced meat. I've put in my simbambili curry powder. I'm adding in turmeric. This much. This can be about half a teaspoon. Notice I'm adding it in my matoke pan, but not in the minced meat pan. This is old style cooking. It comes in handy when you're late. When you don't have time to meal prep or to, not meal prepping, to prepare your ingredients. Then you cut as you go, the way I'm doing. So our 2 large tomatoes are in here. I'll cover it to let the tomatoes cook. Then I deal with the next pan. So I'm adding spinach to my matoke pan. So I'll just cut them in big size and not cut small spinach. Just as large as that. This is to provide us with roughage. You can choose to fry the spinach aside, but because of time, I've decided to mix mine in here. And our tomatoes are also cooking on this other end. They are big, but they will cook. Our matoke pot is ready, and our matoke is also ready right here. So I'm placing our matoke inside. This other pan is taking time. That part of the stove is normally slower. So you see, because of the turmeric, the color is turning, becoming so beautiful. I'll cover it a bit before I add in some stew to just boil with it. Our spinach looks so beautiful, as you can see. This one is about to be ready. We keep going. If you've noted, I've not added salt to my food. So at this point, I'll do the peppers. That is the white pepper. I'll put in both pans. Then I'll put cayenne pepper. The one I've just put in is the white pepper. Here it is. So I'm putting in my cayenne. Some in the beef. And some in my, just a pinch. I don't like very hot things. Then it's time to add in salt. So I think this is enough for my matoke. About a teaspoonful. For our meat, I'll do this much, about 3/4. Then I'm not adding in water. Instead, I'm adding in my beef broth. This is the way I normally store it. So when I boil meat using my pressure cooker, I don't throw away the water that comes out. That's what we keep and use as our beef broth and chicken broth. If it is chicken, we keep it and mark it as chicken. If it is beef, we also do the same. So I'll now cover it and let it cook until it is soft. So let's wait for that. In the meantime, my other pan is also ready to receive the minced meat. As you can see, it's well cooked. So I'll add in my minced meat, which is right here. Our minced meat is also now in the pan. I'm just taking time to mix it before I add in some little stew to boil up with it. I'm now adding in our beef broth again, just a little. I want it thick. So yeah, Let's now come back at that point when our food will be ready. So finally, our matoke is ready, as you can see over here. And I'm ready to enjoy. So I'll taste on your behalf. It's quite hot, so I'll scoop some and taste. I'm sure you can see me. Not exaggerating. So yummy. Very sweet. Try my recipe out and kindly enjoy the way I'm just about to enjoy this. So until the next one, bye for now.